Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.
Question number 9. Name a genus of baculovirus. Why are they considered good biocontrol agents? क्या है genus of baculovirus? That is nucleopolyhedrovirus. They are considered as good biocontrol agents because they are highly species specific, good for narrow spectrum insecticidal applications, no negative impact on plants, mammals, birds, fish, and even non-target organisms. This was question number 9.